Well, guys, I thought I'm coming from my house, but whoa, I'm coming from an oven. It's a rotary oven. That's how big a rotary oven is. But never try to do that, because if you do that, when the power is on and the diesel is installed, you will suffocate within minutes. Never try that in the bakery, at home, anywhere else. Never try that. So let's see how the Bakewave rotary oven works. The first step, okay, we've connected, this is in our showroom, so we've just connected it on a single phase for showcasing. The first thing is to switch on the button. When you switch on the button, you see this green button shows the power is okay, it's connected. There is no any fault. You can see inside, it's light up the bulb. Basically, if we had proper connection, we would set this temperature up. It would increase because it will be connected. Diesel connection, this temperature will start to go up. So this is the temperature control. You increase it from here. For bread, we are using, for example, 260. So you bring this knob to around here. Let's see the time. This is the timer. Basically, you need to switch it on. This is showing 2 minutes. Let's say we want to set up like, let's say it's 5 minutes. We'll see if it's how it works. If we'll be around here in 5 minutes, you'll see how it works. So we've set about 60, 70, 4.8, 4.9, 5 minutes, and you have to press this button to make sure that the timer is working. So when it's that way, it's working. So okay, so basically a rotary oven is a diesel or kerosene powered equipment for large scale production of any products, let's say bread, cake, whatever you want to see. And it uses a system. I have Joseph here. He will show, he will put the trolley inside. Basically, that's how it works. The trolley is loaded on the platform, and the oven will basically start to rotate. This platform will start to rotate, and that's how the mechanism works. However, we can't go further without talking about the burner. Where does the heat come from? It comes from diesel, okay? Because this is the connection point. First of all, you have to have a diesel tank outside the building, high enough. Then it's the pump have to have a diesel tank outside the building. Let's say 1,000 liters or 2,000 liters. Then you have to do the plumbing and down the building in a safe way up to the point where the oven is. You drop it like here, then it ends up here. So this diesel will flow by gravity to the burner. The burner simply will burn the diesel. It will go through, there's a chamber for combustion chamber. Then after that, that flame and heat is directed through filtration system, rigorous filtration system. And then finally the heat is pumped into the baking chamber in form of high pressure. And that is how baking takes place. People ask, is this diesel safe? Does my product will smell diesel or something like that? It doesn't happen, because the rigorous mechanisms for filtration of this flame is so high such that you cannot have a smell of diesel or any components of diesel. By the time that heat reaches the chamber, it's completely clean. So we also have a water inlet. It's important to show, because to produce soft golden brown bread, you need to steam the bread or buns or any other product which is dough related. You need to steam it here in this button. This button is for steaming. Once you put the product in, you press this button, the water goes on the product, and that affects the texture into a golden brown finishing. So just to explain how this panel also works, it has safety features. You can see right now it's green because it means the power is okay. Then if there is any fault on the machine, on the blower is responsible for blowing the heat. Once the heat is channeled from the combustion chamber into the baking chamber, the blower is on to circulate the heat within the baking chamber. So it's a very major component in this oven. So if there's an issue for the blower, we normally use it as fast. You can see here. So we set it as fast. But if there is a fault, this light will go off and this one will come on to show there is a fault in the blower, in the fast speed or in the slow speed. Most importantly to talk about also, down here you can see there is heating fault, turntable fault, blower fault. So these three components make up the rotary oven. Heating fault is from the burner, which is the one that converts the diesel into a long flame. This one, if there is any issue on the burner, this button will light up red, and therefore it will alert you. If there is an issue in this platform that we just talked about, that rotates the trolley, this button will light up. And finally, if there is a fault in the blower, this button will light up and alert you. So this oven has all the safety features and precautions necessary to make you a successful baker. So that's all for today. Remember to follow us on YouTube as Bakewave TV, on Instagram, Facebook as Bakewave. And finally, we are waiting for our alarm to buzz, because when it buzzes, I'll shut up. If it buzzes, I have to keep quiet and end this video. So let's see. That's all. So guys, this comes to the end of the video. You just need to, it's too noisy. Switch it off. See you, and thanks a lot for watching.